And are there any applications in this case?
No applications, Judge.
Okay. Court is calling 2025 CR 0000487 State versus Alyssa Gonzales. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Renee Munoz on behalf of Ms. Gonzales.
And are you Ms. Gonzales? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review that with your client?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Gonzales, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Ms. Gonzales, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of? Yes.
Interrupt you. We're proceeding on, I believe, count 2, later count 1. That's correct.
All right. Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you understand in count 2, you're charged with unauthorized use of a motor vehicle as a state jail felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge, that is correct.
Ms. Gonzales, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, John.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, John.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2. Punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The state will take in consideration 2025 CR 0000472, and there's $800 restitution to Orlando Pedes. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, John.
Defense is at the plea.
That's correct, Judge.
State is at the plea.
It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, John.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, John.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, John.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, John.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, John.
The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. In reference to Ms. Gonzales, I had the chance to speak with her regarding the offenses that she had picked up. And I know that the court maybe has some concerns as to the questionable thinking. My client has notified me at the jail that she has been getting MRT, moral reconation therapy treatments, in terms of addressing some of the questionable decisions she has made that led her to being here in front of the court today, Judge. In light of that, she is willing to undergo at the state jail classes as well as vocation, as well as substance use to address some of those issues and hopefully continue with the MRT there at State Jail. We're asking the judge in light of that, her eagerness to do that, if she can be presumptively entitled to diligent participation credit, also known as the 80-20 rule, in light of the fact that she wants to make those changes and continue to address those changes in thinking.
All right, how old are you?
32.
All right, why don't you know right from wrong? I mean, it would seem that people would know, hey, you're not supposed to steal a car. Why do you need a class to tell you don't steal?
Cop that I was hanging out with.
I'm sorry, what?
Cop that I was hanging out with.
The crowd that you were hanging out with, let me just tell you, if they were here, they would say it's the crowd I'm hanging out with. You're in your 30s. You're not a teenager. So again, that doesn't answer my question. So why do you need a class for somebody to tell you that stealing is wrong? And here you are driving around in a vehicle where the ignition is broken and the steering column is damaged, and you're just riding around in it. And if the police would not have caught you, you'd still be riding around in it. Do you have children? I'm sorry, a son? How old is he?
I have 2 sons.
2 sons. How old are they?
13 and 11.
All right, and you don't take care of either of them. Somebody else does.
My husband, husband.
All right, so you don't take care of any of them. Are you paying child support? If they had to depend on you to survive, they would not survive because you're not paying child support. You're just out here stealing vehicles. All right, court is going to find you guilty. The court is going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Taking consideration 2025 CR 000472, there's to be restitution of $800 to Orlando Pedes, and I'll order the therapeutic community. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. You need to do better, because right now somebody else is raising your children and you don't have a part in their life whatsoever. And I don't understand why you would need MRT to tell you, I pick up a crime, somebody else is taking care of my children. You understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Abel Martinez.
I have, yes.
Okay. And state, were you able to tender an offer?
No, Your Honor.
Well,
I guess.
yeah,
sorry.
we rejected it.
Yes, we're in negotiations. Yes.
Okay. Ms. Ferguson, can you set this in 30 days for a plea deadline date, please? All right, we're going to come back on April 17th. At that time, you need to let me know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next setting is going to be a trial setting, and the court will not consider any plea bargain agreements without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
I had 7 settings today, so I got here as fast as I could.
So we are numbered. We're the low.
No,
person.
you are not. You know what it was? Is I was running back and forth between 2 courts, and in both courts, we were just waiting for the prisoner to be transported up. Paperwork ready, everything. So I thought it would be faster. That was just today. I have a discovery acknowledgement.
All right, thank you.
We need to reset for a plea just in a couple of weeks or so, but he has no bond on this case, Judge. I'm not on his other cases. He's requesting a bond. I know you had FTA'd him at one point, which is why there is no bond on his case, but
All right, file a motion. I'll hear it.
all right. Well, if we could get a 2-week reset, because I think we have a deal.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. 2-week reset.
Gotcha.
All right, we can bring you back on March 18th.
March 18th. Okay, so we'll take care of it then.
All right, that will be your plea deadline date. All right, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I think that we have everything on this case.
Okay.
But there is a new case out there that I believe just got picked up this like a
Yes.
couple of weeks ago, or if not even a week ago or so.
Is it a drug case or something else?
It's not, it's
Okay.
an unlawful carrying allegedly. And we're just asking for a little bit of time on our side just to, and I know they don't have discovery on that yet, but
Okay. Is it a misdemeanor or is it a?
it's gonna be a
felony?
felony,
Felony?
and it's gonna be probably.
Okay. How much time are you guys asking for?
I mean, I could send an email off, and I mean, I think they have everything they need, and I don't think anything else was found, so I think it just at least 2 to 3 weeks, Judge.
All right. Do you want to put it at the end of the month or you just want a 30-day reset?
We could get a 30-day reset.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can we have a 30-day reset and I'll just have it as a discovery?
April 17th.
All right, April 17th.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
This morning,
Mhm.
I am not able to make contact with her. She didn't appear, so I just was checking in with the
Okay.
court.
All righty.
Okay.
Deputy Laura, can you make an announcement for Amanda Lynn Castro, please? And let me see if this is a PR bond or not.
It's a PR bond, and pretrial contacted me in December. And the 2 numbers that I was given to her and the same that, this PR has don't work.
Okay.
I did try.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Oh, no, we
Oh,
have to go
no.
on the record.
Oh,
Court is calling 2024 CR 012496 State versus Amanda Lynn Castro. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? For the defense?
Lauren left in.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 2:31 p.m. The defendant did not answer docket this morning or this afternoon. Deputy Laura, did you make an announcement?
No one's in the hallway, Judge.
All right, and she is on a PR bond. Defense, have you had any contact with your client?
I have not been able to reach her. The phone numbers I have for her do not work.
All right, state. All right, that will be granted. The court will issue a judge's warrant and your client will be remanded without bond. If your client makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you so much.
All right,
Judge.
thank you. Good seeing you. Have a good one. All right, and her page number, Norma? So we're proceeding on 8074 and 8068?
With all the MCRs?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, court is calling 2021 CR 8068 and 2021 CR 8074 State versus April Ramirez and April May Gomez. I'm sorry, Gonzalez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Jason, your hand, Your Honor.
defense?
Matt Stohansky on these 2 cases for Ms. Ramirez Gonzalez.
All right. And are you Miss April May Gonzalez
Yes,
and also Miss April Ramirez?
yes, ma'am.
And each of the cause numbers, did you review the motion to revoke community supervision and First Amendment motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
In 2021 CR 8068, are you the same April May Gonzalez who was placed on community supervision for the offense of tampering with a government record on December 10th, 2021 for a term of 10 years? And are you the same April May Gonzalez who's placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 8074 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on December 10th, 2021 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the same allegation in each motion?
Yes, Your Honor. We have some other cases that I'm not reviewing on. Or did?
Mhm.
Those are
my cases, Your Honor.
Those are his cases. There's some indicted cases hanging out there. We can't get everything put together. We don't mind doing a deal, but we'd like to do a global deal. What we're asking is for a little time so the state can figure out what they're doing with the cases. They can't even find their victims.
I can open it up a little bit if you don't.
Sure.
You don't mind, Judge.
Yes.
Hunter Morris was down here for that particular reason. He
Mhm.
came down this morning and one of the cases is tied up in PIC division. And so they're deciding whether they go or not. We are sort of, criminal trial has their cases packaged up and we actually possibly have a deal on those. However, that case, they said that they cannot do anything on because they don't have the named victims at this particular point. That's where I think Mr. Stohansky was going at. But I mean, that's where we're at. The alleged MTR does allege technicals I'll just let the court know that we would be proceeding on the technicals at this point, other than the one case that we do have that we are also possibly gonna plea on, or rather defenses.
All right, so.
And Your Honor, Eric Hernandez from Ms. Gonzalez, I can confirm what Judge Garahan just said, in my conversations with Hunter. Two of the cases that are out there that have not been, that are at large, I believe, are with an ADA Nicole. And then the others, we have been working on that one that might get wrapped up into this, but we're just asking for some time to not piecemeal this solution.
This has been reset since 2023. We're not doing any more resets on the motions to revoke. All right, state.
Step back and confirm.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, if I may then, on the two new cases, can we agree to get those reset? Can the court grant me a reset on those?